What's up, Chemical Guys family? Today in the Detail Garage, Hector is going to be showing you guys what and how to use the proper techniques to polish those hard to reach areas on your 3-piece wheels. Alrighty guys, we believe that the Hex-Logic pad did an amazing job of polishing out those 3-piece wheels using light metal polish. But let us know down below what you think did the best job and also what you use to polish your wheels. And in the meantime, you can also head over to our website chemicalguys.com to check out these products for yourself. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and we'll see you right here back in the Detail Garage.